Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Azim bin Tajul Arifin. Nombor metrik SX150504 AEES 04. Salam sejahtera, salam PKP. Semoga kita dirahmati. Yang kami hormati Dr. Lokman bin Ali, Pensyarah Pengurusan Kejuruteraan Syas 4542. Tim member saya Asmizi bin Ahmad Muhammad, saya Muhammad Azim bin Tajul Arifin dan Muhammad Hafiz bin Jamaluddin. Kami akan membentangkan berkenaan dengan Hong Kong Disneyland. Pertama sekali, saya akan membentangkan secara teori dan penjelasan berkenaan dengan motivation of Hong Kong Disneyland. Motivation agenda ada 4, saya bagikan. Pertama, vision and mission. Employer and employee motivated. Kedua, objective of motivation. Ketiga, strategy on how to make employee motivation achieve. Dan keempat, iaitu goal, achievement and target. Semua ni saya akan berikan detail secara terperinci. Okay, motivation is the process by which a person's efforts are energized, directed and sustained toward attaining a goal. The energy element is a measure of intensity, driver or vigor. The high level of effort needs to be directed in ways that help the organization achieve its goal. Employee must persist in putting forth effort to achieve those goals. So semua motivation proses ni perlu ada kepada setiap workers, employers lah. Okay, objective, increase willingness to do the job. Increasing worker motivation means workers willingly carry out the task required by the job. And then increase performance. Increasing worker motivation serve to help organization meet internal and external goals. And then increase retention, increase job satisfaction, supervisor and manager role. Semua objektif ni perlu ada pada setiap worker sebelum mereka menjalankan tugas mereka lah. Okay, kemudian kita pun telah belajar daripada Dr. Lokman bin Ali. Ada 4 teori kita boleh bahaskan di sini. Pertama, Maslow's hierarchy of need, iaitu physiological, safety, social, self-esteem, self-actualization. Nombor 2, Herzberg theory, iaitu job satisfaction, achievement and responsibility. And the third, McClelland's theory of needs, achievement, affiliation and power. Keempat, McGregor theory X and theory Y. Okay, yang ni semua saya akan terangkan sikit lah dalam slide saya di sini. Okay, 4 contrast early theory of motivation. Pertama, Maslow's hierarchy of need, physiological, safety, social, self-esteem, self-actualization. Okay, we are going to look at address employees' need. Okay, yang keempat ni yang saya dah sebut tadi lah, kita ada hierarchy dia. Kemudian nombor 2, Herzberg theory that intrinsic factor are related to job satisfaction and motivation, whereas extrinsic factor also associate with the job. Okay, ni contohnya motivator. Contoh macam mana dia nak dapat achievement, the recognition, work itself, responsibility, advancement and growth. Bagaimana mereka untuk mereka capai diorang punya target dia. Bagaimana untuk motivate pekerja-pekerja untuk lebih bermotivasi. Hygiene factor, supervision, company policy, work condition, salary, security status, semua ini akan memberi faktor kepada pekerja-pekerja untuk lebih bermotivasi. Kemudian, 4 contrast, early theory of motivation. Okay, yang ketiga tadi, McClelland theory of need. 3 need theory, 3 acquired, not innate need, achievement, power and affiliation are major motives. Okay, nombor 1, an need for achievement, the drive to succeed and excel in relation to a set of standards. Nombor 2, the need to make others behave in a way that they would not have behaved otherwise. Number 3, the desire for friendly and close interpersonal relationship. Okay, seterusnya McGregor theory X and Y. Okay, yang ni saya dah simpulkan sikit lah untuk memudahkan. Theory X, contoh negative view of people that assume worker have little ambition. Kemudian theory Y, positive view that assume employee enjoy work, seek out and accept responsible and can exercise self-direction. Okay. Kemudian kita punya goal ni macam histori lah. Bagaimana mereka daripada awal kemudian kebangkitan mereka sampailah menuju kejayaan dan juga perancangan mereka masa depan contoh. Okay, so tahun 2005 dulu dia punya sejarah ada, Hong Kong Disneyland ni open its door to the public. Since then, the theme park has 46 million guests from around the world. Okay, dia starting 2005. Kemudian 2013, 10% increase in visitor with a record high attendance of 7.4 million visitors, representing 30 different nationalities, 8,000 workforce full-time and part-time employee. So ini semua menunjukkan mereka punya goal, mereka macam mana diorang capai kejayaan. Kemudian 2014, HKDL iaitu Hong Kong Disneyland receive outstanding guest satisfaction ratings and a range of awards. HKDL receive 2014 Randstad Award for best workplace culture, mereka dapat award. Kemudian untuk future, the management of HKDL must continue to use HR program to motivate cast members. Okay, ini semua. Kemudian seterusnya saya akan serahkan kepada kawan-kawan saya yang lain. Okay.
Assalamualaikum. Thank you to my friends Azim. Okay, right now I will talk about case 1 on page 616 for Hong Kong Disneyland HR program to motivate employee. Okay, For the case one, providing magical experience for every guest customer. So the interpretation I choose for experience and customer. So the experience made by define is an event or occurrence which leave an impression on someone's. Means the event or occur. For this case mean for Disneyland. And then the customer. And the customer is by define a person or specified kind of with urban one has to deal. Means someone that enter the Hong Kong Disneyland. We verify as a customer. And the next part is Disney with all its hotel and park, global leader, the theme park and service industry. And then the interpretation has for hotel and park, leader, theme park and service industry. So by different hotel and park. Hotel is establishment providing accommodations, meal and other service for traveler and tourists, also in parks. And the leader mean a person who lead or command a group of organization or country. And the last part is theme park and service industry. Okay, the theme park is an amusement park with an unifying setting or idea, which are where other people come to enjoy the setting. And service industry is a business that work for customer and occasionally provide good but not involved in manufacturing. So that's, and then the next part is our case study is company performance depend on motivated workforce. So for the interpretation, I choose a performance and motivated workforce. The performance means by define an act representing a play, concert, other form of entertainment. Meanwhile, the motivated workforce is defined as provide someone with a reason for doing something inspired, stimulate. So the motivated is workforce is other we can call it inspire or stimulates for Disneyland to provide the stuff. So they give something that to stimulate and they enjoy their work. Okay, the next part is the HR training, play a pivotal role, keeping cost staff and member motivated. And for the interpretation, we have three pivotal role, keeping cost and member motivated. The pivotal role, as you can see for this diagram, means the pivotal role is a crucial, important and relation to the development or success of something else. Means the other, we call it a central, important and key. You see the leader and the keeping cost, keeping by define an action or maintaining or protecting something. Means they keep the cost to serve them, and member motivated means a person that belong to a particular group. For this part, is member motivated is someone that belong to the Disneyland staff. Okay, the next is in case study in 2005, Hong Kong Disneyland HKDL opened its door to the public. And the interpretations, it's open it door and the public. The open it door is to move something possible, or we can call it to allow something new to start. Means allow, the literal means is to allow people to enter. And then the public mean concerning the people as a whole, or we can call it a collective share or commons. So Disneyland opened its door for the first time, so the publics will enter it. Okay, next. For the next part is our case study. Since then, the theme park has served 46 million guests from around the world. So choose the interpretation theme park, serve 46 million guests and around the world. So the theme park is as previous, the theme park is an amusement park with the interfering setting or idea. So for Disneyland, the theme park is setting as the magical park. Magical like Mickey Mouse, something like a Disneyland movie, and that serve 46 million guests. So the service by define is perform duty or service for another person or organization. For this part, the organization means that related to the Disneyland and around the world. Okay, the around the world is the earth and all people that place, and this means all people around the country and around place come to the Hong Kong Disneyland to enjoy the amusement park. Okay, next for the case study. Since then, the theme park has served. Okay, next, the case study in 2013, it saw a 10% increase in the visitor with a record high attendance of 7.4 million visitors. For the interpretations, we had three increase in visitor, record high and attendance. The increase in visitor is someone who visit place or person. Then every year, the person increase every year, and then the record high is the highest historical level reached by seeking competing index of during trading. So the visitor records very high significantly. And then the attendance mean the election or state of going regularly to or being present at a place or event. So the attendance, the Disneyland records every year, and it show the trending every year increase. Okay, and that's all. And the last part is representing about 30 different nationalities. The result employee workforce of more than 8,000 full-time and part-time employees at the theme park. It's too hot here during the most popular summer period. Most of the resort staff are under 35-year-olds. Okay, for this case, we got full-time and part-time employee in summer period, and staff are under 35 years old. The full-time and part-time employees is that his own staff. They had full-time is work for 1 month, and part-time is the work unregularly. And the summer period is it's summertime. It's very hot, and the staff is under 35-year-old means all Disneyland staff, Hong Kong Disneyland staff is below than 25-year-olds. Means all are young generation, and more idea and very cheerfully. Okay, that's all. So next we give to Asmizin. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya sambung daripada presentation Cik Hafiz tadi. Okay, case study dia adalah The Magic begins with the recruitment of employees who are friendly, innovative, responsible and passionate about this story. Okay, the interpretation dia saya ambil recruitment. Recruitment ni macam dia melatih sekumpulan orang lah untuk lebih bagus lah dalam satu bidang. Contohnya anggota tentera dia rekrut ni merekrut anggota lah untuk ni. Okey, yang kedua saya ambil innovative, responsible dan passionate. Okey, innovative ni dia memilih orang yang punya innovative, responsibility dan passionate. Maknanya seorang yang kata bersemangat lah dalam melakukan kerja-kerja yang diberi. Okey, yang ketiga Disney story. Disney story ni kepada Disney story dia macam orang yang dia rekrut tu sukalah dengan cerita-cerita tentang company ni, Disney story ni, maknanya dia lebih tahu. Okey, seterusnya next slide. Case study. Case study Disney management. Understand what is important to cast member, what excited them in Hong Kong Disneyland. Okey, yang saya ambil interpretation dia important. Important ni dia macam dia punya pengurusan ni, dia tahu apa yang penting dan apa yang tak penting dalam membuat satu keputusan. Dan dia fokus dekat orang kata yang mana satu lebih penting tu. Okey, cast member. Cast member adalah pekerja-pekerja dia lah yang orang kata akan bekerja dengan dia. Contohnya cast member ni sekumpulan, contohnya dia dalam satu animasi tu dia melakukan watak-watak tu lah. Maknanya orang yang passion, orang yang kata bagus lah dalam melakukannya. Okey, satu lagi pihak pengurusan ni dia excited them in Hong Kong Disneyland, SKDS sebenarnya ni. Okey, excited them ini contohnya memberi galakan, memberi semangat kepada pekerja-pekerja dia agar lebih kata baguslah dalam melakukan kerja. Tu yang kita tengok kalau pelakon-pelakon watak dalam Disneyland ni excited lah, macam baguslah dengan dia orang punya performance. Okey, seterusnya slide yang berikutnya. Case study dia. Therefore, HDKL address the value proportion young talent through comprehensive training program, transparent career paths and opportunity recognition and engagement by providing a fun environment. Okay, interpretation dia saya ambil value proposition. Value proposition ni dia macam ini gambar yang berkaitan, dia macam dia pendapat yang bahagia tu dia ambil sebagai orang kata peluang lah. Okey, satu lagi young talent. Maknanya orang muda yang kata berbakat dalam program ni lah. Comprehensive training program, dia pihak pengusaha juga melakukan training program yang kata encourage dia punya bakat dalam sesuatu. Satu lagi pihak pengusaha itu transparent career path. Maknanya pihak pengusaha ni dia berterus terang lah, maknanya setiap pekerja tu dia tahu dia punya career path dia. Peluang, okey, opportunity ni lah pihak pengurusan Hong Kong Disneyland ni dia memberi peluang, contohnya kenaikan pangkat, upgrade dia punya position, gaji. Okey, recognition ni dia macam dia macam kata kenaikan pangkat. Macam tu lebih kurang. Lepas tu engagement. Engagement ni dia bukan perjanjian lah. Perjanjian di antara pengurusan dan pekerja. Bila satu syarikat ni dia pekerja tu lebih semangat bila dia tahu ada tuju, dia tahu ada perjanjian dengan syarikat. Contohnya dia janjikan jika keuntungan syarikat, contoh syarikat tinggi dia memberi bonus, dan sekurang-kurangnya ada untuk pekerja yang kata benefit lah. Providing a fun environment. Providing a fun environment ni macam manusia ni bila dia seronok melakukan sesuatu, suka, dia akan bersemangat untuk buat sesuatu tu. Contohnya kalau kita pergi kerja, kita seronok buat kerja tu, kita akan buat kerja tu bersungguh-sungguh lah. Secara ni. Okey, slide seterusnya. Okey, dia punya case study. Case study dia, class member learn Disney culture in a number of ways such as training and socialization. Okey, presentation dia Disney culture. Disney culture ni dalam management ni, dia dalam Hong Kong Disneyland ni, dia ada macam kata budaya dia sendiri. Yang mana budaya yang seronok, happy, itu yang membuat kadang-kadang orang suka. Okey, satu lagi perusahaan juga dia mewujudkan training. Training apa tujuan training? Training ni adalah untuk orang kata dia membuatkan pekerja dia lebih mahir, lebih terampil, lebih bagus dengan wujudnya training lah. Contoh kalau nak wujudkan daripada pekerja pada tahun A, dia tahu ABCD. Contohnya lebih kata education lah. Okey, satu lagi dekat Hong Kong Disneyland ni, dia socialization. Dia maknanya di antara pekerja-pekerja dia hubungan sosial dia bagus lah. Okey, next slide. Okey, case study dia 380,000 jam hours professional and technical training. The entire workforce during the year. Okey, dia punya interpretation dia professional and technical training. Okey, apa yang kita tahu apabila dia mewujudkan satu kata training tu, dia orang lebih profesional dalam bidang yang dia belajar lah. Betul, dan technical training maknanya di sini ni mewujudkan kata selain daripada pekerja, dia mewujudkan kata satu sektor yang menjadikan pekerja-pekerja dia lebih profesional dengan dia training kat sana lah. Okey, satu lagi the entire workforce. Maknanya dia semua orang kata kerja-kerja dia dalam tahun yang tersebut. Okey, seterusnya case study dia, they help employee become a knowledgeable cast member, fostering open communication and having fun with their guests. Okey, interpretation dia saya ambil knowledgeable. Okey, knowledgeable ni orang yang berilmu apabila ilmu dia lebih orang kata bagus lah, macam dalam kostum kerja, hubungan, something macam itulah. Okey, satu lagi saya ambil open communication. Open communication ni bagus untuk mana-mana management lah, apa. Bila kita open cakap ni, kita telus, kita tak ada berselindung belakang, kita cakap depan-depan, tak ada belakang-belakang. Maknanya kita berbincang secara profesional lah, tak adalah cakap depan nak bergaduh, kita cakap secara jujur dalam kelas. Yang ketiga, having fun. Having fun ni kata semua pekerja dia seronok lah bila adanya syarikat yang begitu ambil berat. Okey, dalam maksud saya having fun ni, kalau foster open communication and having fun with their guest ni, maknanya apabila seorang seronok bekerja, maknanya dia akan mewujudkan persekitaran yang bagus lah untuk having fun with their guest. Maknanya dia seronok melakukan kerja tu dengan dia punya pelanggan. Okey, seterusnya next slide. Okey. Okey, case study. This involve organization a number of internal and external program, encourage its cast member, support initiative for education, health, social and other outreach service. Okey, saya ambil dia punya internal and external program. Maknanya pekerja ni didedahkan dengan orang kata program dalaman dan program luaran. Contoh program dalaman ni di dalam spesialan kerja dia lah. Apabila di luar ni contoh diberi peluang untuk belajar. Contohnya syarikat A ni bagus, dia pergi ke syarikat sana, tengok apa benda yang orang kata yang bagus lah untuk bawa ke dalam ni. Maknanya tak adalah pekerja tu duduk dalam je, tak stres. Okey, seterusnya encouragement is the member. Contohnya dia macam memberi galakan, memberi semangat pada pekerja-pekerja dia. Apabila pekerja pun bila dia dapat encourage, dia akan baguslah bekerja untuk melakukan kerja. Okey, selain itu saya ambil education, healthy, social and other outreach service. Okey, education. Itu yang saya cerita tadi sebelum ni. Management ni dia memberi peluang pembelajaran, dia servis lah untuk kesihatan, sosial. Dia macam menyediakan orang kata cukup lengkap lah untuk pekerja-pekerja dia bukan sekadar orang kata kesihatan, pembelajaran selain tu dia juga outreach service ni, contoh syarikat ni memberi pinjaman untuk dia kerja di rumah, beli kenderaan, hutang dengan company lah. Itu benefit-benefit dia membuatkan pekerja tu tak lari dan bekerja dengan bersungguh-sungguh. Okay, next slide. Next slide. Okay. Case study. The result also conducts advice survey, better understand staff. Okay. Kat sini kita ambil survey and understand. Survey ni macam pihak management ni, orang survey ni macam kita nak tahu sesuatu, kita nak lakukan research macam tahu survey. Kita nak cakap depan-depan mungkin orang susah. Nak bagi pandangan yang jujur ikhlas, tapi dengan survey ni banyak orang kata input lah dia akan dapat secara telus. Contoh survey ni, kita survey bagi secara elektronik ataupun kertas ke, kita beritahu puas hati ke tidak puas hati. Lepas tu understand. Maknanya pihak perusahaan Hong Kong ni dia lebih memahami pekerja-pekerja dia. Daripada survey tadi, dia orang kata lebih faham lah buat betul macam mana, apa masalah yang dia hadapi, apa kekurangan yang disediakan tu dia akan cuba perbaiki lah. Okay, next. Saya akan serahkan kepada Encik Azim.
Sambung pada Encik Azmi tadi. So untuk yang next adalah kita sambung pada the case study. The results show that the cast member in HDK have take pride in their role. They are motivated and empowered to extend their role. So the interpretation adalah, first interpretation that take pride in their role means the feeling of deep pleasure or satisfaction which come from achievement. So the second is motivated. Motivated is to provide someone with a reason for doing something. So like to motivate ours. The third is excel in their roles. So the excel is the transcendent the value of their culture, excel in achievement. Okay. Yeah. So next. Okay. The next is for the case study, HKDL has received outstanding guest satisfaction rating. The range of awards from the hospital and entertainment sector, including the recipient of 2014 Randstad Award for the best workplace culture. So the interpretation is first of the outstanding grade satisfaction rating mean the measurement that determine how happy customer are with product, and second award from the hospitality and entertainment sector. So for this part is the activity that Hong Kong Disneyland in the context of tourism we need to consider operation, and that is the best workplace culture. So the best is the environment that Hong Kong Disneyland create for their employee, the best workplace. So the next is the case study. While the appeal of Disney character is enduring, the decade-old HKDL is in the red again. So the Disneyland and Hong Kong Disneyland for the decade, Hong Kong Disneyland in the red again. So interpretation is enduring. The enduring means the lasting over a period of time, durable, so stand still. While in the red against, which Hong Kong Disneyland spend more money in their account and owe money to the bank, so they spend more from their account. So the next is a study. The theme park cite a drop in mainland visitor. The main reason in explaining is disappointed performance. So the interpretation we choose is drop in. So which one? The drop in is the call informally and briefly as a visitor. So the drop by, and disappointing performance is from one seem so promising but not giving satisfaction. Okay, next is for the case study. Additional competition with the one country two theme park situation is imminent. The Shanghai Disney Resort opened in June this year. So two country theme park mean in the theme park development in Southeast Asia, Hong Kong Disney Emperor River Delta, which is theme park. So it means one country two theme park. So the next is imminent. Imminent is a shock due to the imminent danger, like that. The Shanghai Disney. The next is open. The Shanghai Disney Resort open. Open means move so as to leave a space allowing to access what we get. So next, okay. Next is case study, which regional demand will adequate enough to be shared between the park. The management at Hong Kong Disney remain hopeful about the future. So the interpretation we choose is a share between the park. Share means distribute among the member between park, and the remain hopeful about the future is the staff is optimism about future event or thinking something that might good to happen. Okay. Next, second last is in the case study. In the meantime, they are also working to provide each park with a fresh feel and competitive business environment by providing the investment on the team attraction and promotional offer. So the interpretation we choose three. First, a fresh feel. Fresh feel is we feel energetic. And second is competitive business environment. So the business environment is the business compete and function. And then third, investment. Investment is the action or process of investing money for profit. And promotion offer is used to motivate the consumer to buy. Okay, and the last one is furthermore, the management at the Hong Kong Disneyland must continue to use HR program to motivate cast member. So we choose three management. First is the interpretation is management dealing with controlling thing or people, but the HR program is to gain necessary skill and knowledge for managing human capital, and motivate is same as the previously, provide someone with a reason for doing something. Okay, for the case study, we will show our interpretation, and the next is case study for question. So for the question is, we choose number one. What would it be like to work at Hong Kong Disneyland? So, what would it be like to work at Hong Kong Disneyland? First, our answer is Hong Kong Disneyland, also known as HK Disneyland, or short form HKDL, is a theme park located on reclaimed land in Penny Bay, Lantau Island. It is located inside the Hong Kong Disneyland Resort and is owned and managed by Hong Kong International Theme Park. So it's in Hong Kong, and it is the largest theme park in Hong Kong, followed by Ocean Park Hong Kong. So it has two theme parks in one island. First is Hong Kong Disneyland, and another one is Ocean Park Hong Kong. Hong Kong Disneyland was opened to visitors on Monday, 12 September 2015 at 13 p.m. at Hong Kong Disneyland time. Hong Kong Disneyland delivered world-class service and lifetime memory for our guests. As a cast member, you will be an important part of Disney show. So it shows that the cast is very important for Disney show, Hong Kong Disneyland show. Working at Hong Kong Disneyland offer you the opportunity to participate in comprehensive training and expression and excellent career development opportunities. So it is very important. And that's all. Okay, bye. Thank you.